Hi, I'm Tom from System Q. When you're installing a CCTV system, it's wise to hide the DVR or MVR out of sight and locked away, as you don't want it getting stolen in a break-in. So if you're hiding your recorder in the loft, for example, how do you then connect it to a monitor so that it's easy to watch? DVRs send their video to the monitors over a HDMI cable, but HDMIs are limited to 15 meters long and they're quite difficult cables to run out as well, so it's not the best option. A better solution might be to send the video over a network cable, and by using these beauties you can do just that. These are our HDM220s. These awesome gadgets can send HDMI signals over Ethernet in one direction and send keyboard and mouse controls in the opposite direction. The transmitter plugs into the DVR or MVR using the HDMI output, and a receiver is plugged into a monitor and a mouse if your DVR or MVR uses one. You can then watch and control your DVR as if you were sat right in front of it. Another popular use for the HDM220s is to control a computer in a similar way, and there's even a keyboard connection for you to do this. So let's take a look in a bit more detail at the HDM220s. This is 10 reasons why the HDM220s are a must-have for CCTV installers. 1. It lets you keep the DVR or MVR locked away in a secure location. In a CCTV installation, the HDM220s are ideal for keeping your recorder out of harm's way. You can still watch the CCTV footage on a monitor and control it with a keyboard and mouse from up to 120 meters away. But all of this helps keep the CCTV footage on the recorders secure. 2. It's super easy to fit. You only have to wire up an Ethernet cable, so you can drill a small hole and then just crimp the end on at the other side. 3. There's no complicated setup. The plug and play design means that it's ready to work as soon as it's connected. 4. It transmits 1080p HD video quality. So even at 120 meters away, you can still view your CCTV footage in crystal clear 1080p. 5. The receiver has 2 USB ports, so you can connect a keyboard and a mouse. And this gives the customer complete control of their CCTV from anywhere in the building. 6. The HDM220s can have multiple receivers for multiple monitors. Just hook the transmitter up to a network switch and then run CAT5 or CAT6 cable to multiple receivers. This is ideal for office setups where many people need to view the CCTV. And we do sell the receivers separately for these multiple monitor setups. 7. It will work on existing local area networks. If you're installing CCTV in a home or office building and it already has CAT5 or CAT6 cable installed, well, just use that and save yourself some time. 8. It will also work on CAT5 that's not part of an existing local area network. Some buildings are wired with spare CAT5, and in that case you can just use that to save yourself time, effort and money. 9. It's not just for CCTV installations. It can also be used to provide long-distance control of PCs or TVs. This makes it a very versatile product for many applications. 10. They make the impossible possible, as you can add your monitors wherever you've got a network connection. And that is the HDM220s, a great way to make fitting CCTV easier when it's hard to run out HDMI cables. The product codes are about to come up so that you can jot them down and pop them into the search bar at systemq.com and grab yourself some of these great products for your next CCTV install. Cheers!